To make a dipping sauce for the tempura, you will need a few important ingredients: mirin, a sweet cooking sake, grated ginger, and daikon or white radish. Tempura batter is used to coat the vegetables before frying. You'll also need some water and ice. We'll tempura a range of seasonal vegetables, including beans, capsicum, carrots, and onions. First, we'll prepare the tempura dipping sauce. Put 1/3 of a cup of hondasashi to 900 ml of water and give it a quick mix. Pour this solution into a saucepan and then add 200 ml each of soy sauce and mirin. Bring to a simmer.
Okay, so once the dipping sauce is coming to a simmer, we'll turn it off and we'll prepare the condiments that accompany it. I've actually pre-prepared a bit of grated ginger, and here we have some grated daikon radish, otherwise known as white radish. So these will go into the tempura sauce.
Quickly add the grated ginger and daikon to the sauce. Now we can start to chop the vegetables. Start with a green capsicum and remove its stalk and seeds. Then slice it into pieces of about this size. Do the same with a red capsicum. When making tempura, it's best to have a good variety of vegetables. Chop your onion like so and use a cocktail stick to keep the segments together when cooking. Chop your carrots into bite-sized pieces along with your sweet potato and pumpkin. Just top and tail your string beans. Now's a good time to heat some vegetable oil in a pan to 180 degrees. Okay, your vegetables are ready to go now, so we can start the batter. Place 200 grams of tempura flour into a large mixing bowl. Add the yolk of an egg and then pour in 600 ml of water. Lastly, add a cup of ice into the mix. Swiftly stir with a pair of chopsticks and ensure that the flour doesn't completely dissolve, leaving some residual clusters. It's important not to spend too much time mixing. Now we can start to batter the bite-sized vegetable pieces. First, lightly coat them in dry tempura flour. Now that your oil is nice and hot, take your coated vegetables and, one by one, dip them into the batter, shake off any excess, and then place them in the oil to fry. Keep a good eye on your vegetables and remove them as the batter begins to turn a light golden brown. Take them from the pan and place where any excess oil can freely drain. Mixed vegetable tempura is best enjoyed with the dipping sauce that we prepared earlier, along with plain boiled rice and some good friends.